Hi everyone, my name is Imran. I'm from England Learning Center. Today I'm gonna share some special tips and strategies to pronounce English word. After learning this, after knowing these tips and strategies, you will be able to pronounce thousands of English word. So pay attention and try to guess what actually I'm telling here. So I've written here some rules. I made this sheet to help my students improve their English pronunciation, English word pronunciation, and to develop their English. And they learned and they developed. But today I'm gonna share these sheets with you so that you can improve your English. So to help you improve your English, your pronunciation, today I'm gonna share. Pay attention and try to guess, try to think, and try to assume what actually I'm wanted to tell. Notice here at first we have k plus ed. If you see ending letter of any word is ed and before this ed is k. So in this case we have to pronounce this ed like tha sound, or inversely we can say if ed comes after k letter, in this case we have to pronounce like tha. Notice here talk, talked, talked, talk, talked. It is pronounced like talked, walk, walked, oak, oaked, check, checked, kick, kicked, lick, licked. Number 2, if ed comes after p letter, in this case p letter, English p letter, in this case we have to pronounce this ed like tha sound. Notice here jump, jumped, type, typed, kidnap, kidnapped. And number 3, if you see tion has come after es, ending tion will come ending of the word, and after es, in this case we have to pronounce like chan, chan. Notice here question, not question. It is pronounced, correct pronunciation of this word is question, question. And then we have suggestion, suggestion, suggestion. Then finally we have digestion, 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 question, suggestion, digestion. In Bangla hajam, hajam kara, something, to digest something. In Bangla meaning of this digestion is hajam. Then number 4 we have vowel sound plus sion. If you see sion has come after vowel sound, in this case we have to pronounce like this, Jan, Jan, Jan. We have to pronounce like John sound. So notice here television, 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 occasion. This is occasion, then conclusion, then revision, division, and finally we have exclusion, exclusion, exclusion. Or you can make a little bit like run, 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 television, television, occasion, conclusion, revision, division, exclusion. So you have to pronounce like zone or run, both are correct. Whatever sound you prefer you can pronounce. So make sure that if you see sion has come after vowel sound, ending of the word, in this case we have to pronounce like this, zone or run, like television or television, occasion or occasion. Then let's move to 5. Number 5 we have vowel plus s. If you see vowel and then letter s, in this case we have to pronounce like z sound. We know we have 5 vowels, a, e, I, o, u. So at first we have a plus s, that means vowel a then s. Notice here reason, it can be happened middle of the word or last of the word, and it anywhere can happen. So notice here reason, reason. So here we have s after vowel sound, here vowel is a. So reason, season, reason, season. Then Asia, Asia. We have 7 or 8 continent, but among them Asia continent is largest, and our country Bangladesh is located in Asia continent. So it is pronounced like Asia, Asia, because at first we have a and then s. So Asia, it is pronounced like Asia. Then we have E plus S. Notice here, does, goes, comes, lies. We have to pronounce does, goes, comes, lies. Then we have I plus S. That means vowel I and then S. Surprise, surprise, revise. It is surprise, revise, devise. Then we have O plus S. That means vowel sound O and then S. So composition, not compo. It is pronounced like composition. Then preposition, composition, preposition, imposition, opposition, not opposition. It is pronounced like opposition, opposite. Then we have U plus S. That means vowel sound U then S. In this case, we have to pronounce like zo, as I mentioned here, zo, vowel plus S. So it will be zo sound. In this case, we have to pronounce S like zo sound. So busy, busy, because, busy, because, collusion, collusion, illusion, collusion, illusion. Then let's move to the number 6. If you see ending of the word CIAL, there will be some letters and then finally if you see there is CIAL, in this case we have to pronounce like shall, shall. So beneficial, 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 official, official, officially, artificial, artificially, not artificially, not shall. Correct pronunciation is shall. So again, beneficial, official, officially, artificial, artificially, speciality, speciality, special, especially, commercial, commercially, financial, financially, crucial, crucially. I think you got the point, you understood how to pronounce. Then let's move to the number 7. We have CIEN. If you see ending of the word CIEN, in this case we have to pronounce this part of the word like shun. So efficiency, this is pronounced efficiency, not efficiency. There is no efficiency. It is pronounced like efficiency, efficiency, efficient, efficiently, proficiency, proficient, proficiently, sufficiency, sufficient, sufficiently. Then we have deficiency, deficient, deficiently. So we have to pronounce shunt, CIENT, shunt. If you see CIENT end of the word, in this case we have to pronounce like shunt. Now let's move to the 8th number. We have here CIAN, ending of the word. If you see CIAN, in this case we have to pronounce like shun, magician, musician, magician, musician, beautician, electrician, politician. We have CIAN ending of the word. In this case we have to pronounce like shun. So magician, musician, beautician, electrician, politician. There are lots of words, this kind of word. If you get, if you see, then in this case you have to pronounce like this. Then we have number 9. If we see ICALLY ending of the word, in this case we have to pronounce like ically, technically, technically, physically, not technically. We have to pronounce like technically, technically, physically, hypocritically, practically, automatically, authentically. I am pronouncing again, pay attention so that you can understand. Technically, technically, physically, physically, hypocritically, hypocritically, practically, practically, automatically, automatically, authentically, optimistically, pessimistically, typically, typically, whimsically, whimsically, methodically, ethically, basically, not basically. Correct pronunciation is basically, specifically, specifically, systematically, systematically, drastically, drastically, dramatically, not dramatically. We have to pronounce this word like, correct pronunciation is dramatically, dramatically, dramatically. Then let's move to the number 10. We have D and then U. If you see between the word D and then U, in this case we have to pronounce like zoo. So education, not education. Correct pronunciation is education, because after D we have here U. So we have to pronounce ezu, zoo. If you see between or anywhere after D U, after the letter D U, if you see U after letter D, in this case we have to pronounce like zoo. So correct pronunciation is education, education, incredulity, incredulity, incredulous, incredulously, schedule, module, individual, individually. Then we have 11 number, if you see ending of the word TIAL, in this case we have to pronounce like shall, shall. I've written here between IPA sounds, IPA between slash using IPA sound symbol, so that you can guess. If you are familiar to IPA sound symbol, then you can understand watching this. I've written between two slash mark IPA sound symbol, how to pronounce this part of the word. So if you are familiar, you know how to pronounce IPA sound symbol, then you can pronounce easily and you can guess what actually I am telling here. I am narrating here, I am describing here. So let's practice number 11, TIAL. If you see TIAL ending of the word, in this case we have to pronounce like shall. So it will be influential, influential, influentially, influentially, initial, initial, initially. Then essential, not essential, essential, circumstantial, circumstantially, partial, partially. And number 12, I have written here some sentences using IPA sound symbol. If you are familiar to IPA sound symbol, then you can read this by your own efforts. I am not pronouncing all the sentences, I am just telling one or two sentences so that you can guess. I come from France. I come from France. To write down this sentence, I use IPA sound symbol. So the people are not familiar, the people don't understand IPA sound symbol, they can't read out this line. So just for testing, I'm pronouncing two sentences or three sentences. I come from France. Do you work for a big company? 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 I study a lot. I study a lot. Similarly, if you want, you can finish the sentences, all sentences I have written here. I wrote this to help my students and to build their pronunciation bigger, and so that they can pronounce every single word watching this IPA to improve their English level. I wrote this and I taught my students how to pronounce these sentences. So if you want to pronounce these sentences, if you are familiar to IPA sound symbol, you can easily read out, and if you don't are familiar to IPA sound, at first learn IPA sound symbol. I made another video, you can see this, or you can learn from other YouTube channel also or other books. After learning this, after knowing this, you can easily read out this. So I have written here another some strategies, necessary words to describe daily routine. I have given here some direction or instruction so that my students can explain their daily routine using these words. So if you want to learn this, use this, you can learn, you can know, and you can make sentences. Here I at first, firstly, first of all, then next, after that, shortly, after that, thereafter. Similar, there are many indications, you can use this. Early in the morning, dawn, sunrise, morning. So night, 1, 2, 3 a.m., 4 a.m. This part of the night is called early morning, and before sunrise is called dawn, and sunrise, you know sunrise, what is sunrise, and then after sunrise till 11:59 is called morning. In the morning, noon, 12 p.m. noon, midday, it is called also midday, then afternoon, 2 p.m., 3 p.m. it is called 4 p.m. it is called afternoon, then late afternoon. Here I've written here sunset, sunset, then evening, then night, late night and midnight. So what you do actually, this every single part of the day or night, what you do, you have to describe. So I gave to make daily routine using these words. I sent it and I told my students to form a daily routine, what actually he or she does every day. So I hope you understood the lesson properly. Keep practicing and try to guess, and you have to practice this more and more. If you practice several times, then you can guess how to pronounce this word. When ed comes after k, after p, what we have to do? When tion comes after es, what you have to do? How to pronounce this? cial, cien. If you see this part of sentence, this parts of word, how to pronounce this? I think after practicing sometimes, several times, it will be very easier. So keep practicing. See you again, taking another new video. Till then, stay well, stay well. Bye.